Mae John wedi rheoli gwesti mawr yn ei amser ac felly'n dod â gwledd o brofiad o'r maes lletygarwch i'r coleg. John brings a wealth of hotel management experience to his role as the catering and hospitality assessor and lead internal verifier.
Primarily a work-based assessor. I also coordinate a team with my manager with 10 assessors out in the workplace, ranging from Beaumaris up to Chester.
I've nominated John because he's very inspirational to the team.
Well, certainly his knowledge of the hospitality is second to none.
He's a fantastic deliverer, trainer.
Oh, he's just inspiring, especially as a tutor. He gives me so much support and help.
And mentor for not only his learners, but the team that he works with.
And even now I can go to him with any sort of problem or concern and he just sorts it out, and he sorts it out pretty fast, really.
A typical day for me is going out and checking my candidates, seeing if they're okay, they've done the work. We've gone on to e-portfolio now, so we don't have to have as much one-to-one. They send me stuff via email and I check, and then we'll go out and give feedback to them. He's
been virtually our champion, if you like, for the introduction of it.
We're now 100% e-portfolio.
Teaching means to John changing people's lives, really.
I measure success from enjoyment, really, and what they've gained from the MVQ, not just the certificate, but what they've gained in themselves and the journey that they've had.
He's probably the most approachable guy I've met.
He just tells it as it is. He's in complete confidence with catering.
I hope I made a difference in people's lives and their learning journeys, even if it's just a level 1 certificate. I hope I've just made that difference, giving them the support and watching the learner journey and watching the learner develop.